What's up, everybody? As I always say, keep checking back, and this is why. I'm really mixing things up this week. I did not get a chance to do a video yesterday. Usually I open the hobby boxes on Sunday, but I got this last week, and I really don't want to wait any longer to open it. You might notice the scenery is a little bit different because I am on the road. So I actually brought this with me to open. I did find a few other things in various stores. Unfortunately, stopped in a card store. As usual in this state, no wrestling. But I did hit some Targets and some Walmarts, and I got some cool pickups there. And I'll definitely be doing at least one of those tomorrow, and the rest will be in the course of doing my regular videos. From what I remember, this set, which I'm having trouble opening the box, is really good as far as hits. So, let's find out. Very nice cards here. Move that back a little bit. And since I did not do a video yesterday, I did watch actually most of, or a good portion of AEW and some NXT. It was flipping back and forth, almost like it was watching one show to me. So as far as what I liked, I do like the Butcher and the Blade Act, even though they lost. But I did enjoy, I believe they were against the Young Bucks. Enjoyed that. Even though I think the Young Bucks go a little over the top sometimes. I thought NXT had an unbelievable main event. Is this a, well, it says key matches. It always looks like there's a colored card here, but it's not. Anyway, unbelievable Dusty Classic Finals with Pete Dunne and Matt Riddle taking on the Grizzled Young Veterans. Love that match. Yeah, hard to tell with these cards. Yeah, Moxley Jericho stuff has been good, like that whole segment. Okay, something going on outside. Don't know if you guys can hear that. Did see MJF come out on AEW. I liked him grabbing the guy's towel and kind of wiping. So here we go. We got a Big Show shirt relic, 276 of 299. So that is our first hit. So let's see what else we get in here, because we're guaranteed 2 hits a box. Not sure if it's a guaranteed autograph or something else. Nope. Very hard again to tell the numbered cards here. Push these down a little bit. Dasha Fuentes, miss her. I also thought it was interesting on NXT, they brought out Chelsea Green, who they've been building up with Robert Stone, and she got the surprise loss through a fit. So we'll see where they're going with that too. A Stephanie card. That's what these are. So these are rivalries. And I guess the other thing I remember was they had the Tegan Knox Dakota Kai match. Also a good match, so lots of good stuff on TV on Wednesday. Really liked what I saw at both shows, and I'm probably forgetting stuff, but you know, always the better the shows, the better it is for everyone. And you know, whether you watch one show or you flip back and forth like I do. I have no idea how many packs are left. It's hard to tell when they're all in just 2 rows like this, as opposed to the, we'll say, new boxes since that have come out, which the standard of having 4 rows now. Another rivalries card. So I'll have to go back and see if any of these rivalry cards are actually numbered, because I see different colors. I don't know if there's one for the men and one for the women. What the deal is with those. Does look like we're possibly getting down to the bottom. Yeah, so it looks like just the blue and the gold are different colors for rivalries, but they don't, or this is actually key matches. No, rivalries and key matches. So we're still awaiting another hit. Yeah, there's, so it looks like we're down to the last 4 packs. Hopefully we will see that other hit and I didn't miss it, and I will not have to go back through all these cards. Got a Rock Tribute. So this is our last pack. So it looks like we're owed a hit here. Because it said 2 hits per box. I don't know what else would be considered a hit. Oh, there it is. I missed it. So our other hit was Aiden English, 63 of 99. I mean, not the best hit, but I don't think I have one of his autos. So a little underwhelming with this box. I was hoping for like a rare or rarer Kiss card or something like that, but that's the fun of this. As always, thanks for watching. Check back with me tomorrow. I will be opening some of this stuff I got on my Target and Walmart trips today. Take care.